Hello guys, this is William here for a new video. So in the last one we looked at doing Instagram style filters in React Native and like some advanced gestures to do image editing and also like rotation slider and that was a lot of fun to implement. Now I think so if we look at the screens which are left in this UI kit, there's the albums, page, places, and the camera. And I was thinking, let's do the album screen as a live session. Let's see. Let's see how it goes. Hopefully there won't be too many bumps in the road. Let's just get started. Let's go. All right. So I actually already started to implement the tab, and I have a feed which I need to put some data in. So if we look at the photography API, I have the list of all photos, and now so if you see a photo as an album string, so I can group the photos by album title. And let's look at Lodash documentation for the group by function. I'm not sure how it looks like. I guess should be pretty straightforward. Okay. So we can have albums where the name of the album is the key, and then we have an array of photos. Okay. And I guess I'm gonna need to import Lodash. I need to import the API here. All right. So we can implement the render item method. No, 1 second, because this component needs to take an array and we're returning an object. So I need to flatten the object. Let me see. Flattened function. It's for an array. Oh, values, I guess, would be the method I'm looking for. Yes, I get. Let's try. I guess this is okay here, and let's just see how it looks like. let's just see how if the data is at the expected format. Let's see. Yes, so I have an arrays of photo that looks very good. So each row will be an array of photos. Perfect, and I can import the photo type from here. Okay, so this is great here. All right. My mouse cursor, okay. Somehow I'm losing my, I think it's because of, all right. Sorry, I'm having some technical difficulties. I'm losing the mouse cursor. All right, so now let's implement each row. Seems to be fairly easy, right? So let's see. So we have two, right? The header and then the list of pictures. So we need to display 3 pictures, and I guess we're gonna use whatever component we used here. So let me look into the photos screen. Oh, we did this. Photo, thumbnail. Okay, I guess that's good. I keep losing my, this is crazy. I keep losing my mouse cursor. I have no idea what's going on. So we take 3 photos. We add a key, which can be, I guess, photo ID. Here I guess I can put the album title. Okay. Let's see how it looks like. This is terrible. I'm not sure what, I keep losing my, should I disable the Wi-Fi? I guess maybe the Bluetooth. I don't know what's going on, why I keep losing it. It's pretty annoying. Photo thumbnail, which I need to import. Okay. This is getting really crazy because I keep losing my cursor. This is very annoying, but let's see. So I'm gonna need to we're gonna display them in a row. style sheet. Let's look how. Okay. So it seems to complain that the key is not unique. So maybe I have some photo IDs which are identical, I don't know. Okay. I'm gonna use index for now. I will check offline what's going on here. Okay. Oops, sorry. Doesn't look too bad. I'm really not sure why. Or am I don't know. Oh, I know. Okay. So here I'm gonna use photo ID. So that's not the issue. The issue is that the way the feed component is implemented, it expects as input data an object which has an ID, which makes sense. So maybe I'm gonna do a map. And I'm gonna return where ID is the album, and then photos. So that's much better. And so it should look like this. And maybe, oh, group. So we show the title and number of photos, okay. So group. Okay, I think here type is headline, and the second type is footnote, and I need to import the text component. Okay. So we had a white background, some padding, I need to import style guide here. Okay, oops. Oops. I think that's pretty good. Okay, we need to add the left arrow, so to make it actually a touchable area, and we need to add some margins to the thumbnails. Okay, so thumbnail, we can also add some guess margin horizontal. And I can just maybe take a look. No, that's a vertical, sorry. Oh boy, I'm getting tired, I guess. And so we need to make this touchable opacity. So I guess I need to wrap it actually up. And so I need to import it. Okay. And actually I need to add outer view to do the to add the arrow component. So I guess I'm gonna I need a style here. And I need to add the icon. Let me check the name of the icon quickly. I guess it's the one, huh? Arrow right. I need to import the icon component. Okay. So I need to move. Maybe I'm gonna call this the mouse cursor issue I'm having right now is really annoying. I guess I'm gonna need to reboot my computer pretty soon, but let's see how far we can go here. It looks okay. I'm not sure if there's maybe a more appropriate icon available, and also maybe we can vertically center the let me close this one. So justify content space between and align items center. I'm not sure. Guess yeah, that's it. I'm trying to see if there's like a better icon. Let me see in navigation bar what we're using. Chevron left, so I should probably use chevron right. That's gonna look much better. It's pretty good. Cool. Let me all right, let me save this. And by the way, if you want to have access to the GitHub repository, you can get the preview at react-native.shop. And yeah, and you can also have the expo link, so you can play with it, play with the different UI kits. All right. Hello guys, this is William here for a new video. So in the last one we looked at doing Instagram style filters in React Native and like some advanced gestures to do image editing, and also like rotation slider, and that was a lot of fun to implement. Now I think so if we look at the screens which are left in this UI kit, there's the albums, page, places, and the camera. And I was thinking, let's do the album screen as a live session. Let's see. Let's see how it goes. Hopefully there won't be too many bumps in the road. Let's just get started. Let's go. All right. So I actually already started to implement the tab, and I have a feed which I need to put some data in. So if we look at the photography API, I have the list of all photos, and now so if you see a photo as an album string, so I can group the photos by album title. And let's look at Lodash documentation for the group by function. I'm not sure how it looks like. I guess should be pretty straightforward. Okay, so we can have albums where okay, so I need to create the album screen now. So let me see. So I need to create an album navigator. So we're going to create a stack navigator with choose screens, albums, and album. Now I need to create the album screen. And we know that we receive one parameter, which is the album ID from the navigation. Let's see. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, and now, all right, not too bad. So I guess for this screen, you see I'm losing my cursor. This is really crazy. I think I'm gonna finish this component and then just reboot the computer. Okay, so album, and I guess for this screen we just have to copy what we did for the photos screen. We just need to change basically the the title and the selections of picture we show, but it should be actually pretty much the same thing. I think I'm just gonna do a copy and paste here. Okay. Oops. So what is it complaining about? Okay. Oops. I'm feeling really guilty doing this. That's probably like a shortcut I should learn. I should definitely check this out. Okay. What's the issue here? Property navigation. Interesting. I think I'm missing. So if I go to photo thumbnail, I should do type inference instead of using the default type. And so here I should just do album, where we use the album from the album ID. So we get album from navigation state params. And now we need to create this album method in the API. Okay. Oops, sorry. Okay, let's have a look. When my mouse cursor will come back, we can have a look. Oh man. Okay. So let's click on Zurich. Cool. So this is wrong, we need to change it. But that's, I mean, that looks pretty close already to what we want to achieve. Okay. So let's go back here. So we're gonna show the album name here. We're gonna need the back button. Can remove the logout action. Oh, looks like I actually need to add a style. I add a style here. Okay, yeah, that's nice catch. Okay. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I'm just wondering why when I'm clicking on the album here it doesn't show. Because there's a back button. That's why it's not expanded, I guess. Yeah, so it looks pretty cool to pretty close to what we wanted to do. So I guess what's left is the camera. Next we can do the camera and then places. But first I'm gonna reboot my computer. So yeah, I see you guys in a bit, and I'm gonna make some coffee as well. I'm gonna make some coffee, but yeah, talk to you guys later. Ciao.